Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel all about C++. Hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video, we are going to create another program. We are going to explore another concept of C++. We are going to create another data type of C++, and in today's video we will talk about the data type named as float. So let's do it. And before starting a video, I request you guys to please subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any kind of update from my YouTube channel. So let's get started with the things. So the first thing, we just need to open our compiler. Let's say dev C++, and then we just need to open our source file. Then we have to hash include input output stream, then hash include conio.h using namespace, std integer of the main, and then last but not the least get ch. Get ch. So that's all, and now we just need to proceed to our work. So I have saved the thing. So in the last video we have discussed about the data type name as int. So you just need to understand that the data type that is referred as int integer, it only takes the numeric value. It didn't take the value contain the digit. Let's suppose if I have declared a variable int and number, and I have initialized number is equal to, I have kept the 88.91 in it. So whenever I just want to look out my value, that what really my value is and what does the number contains, then it will regret the values that are defining after the point, because we know that our data type is integer int, and int doesn't store any kind of numeric value, any kind of decimal value. It always store a numeric value without a decimal. So the values that occurs after decimal, it might be of 5 digits, 6 digit, and so on. It doesn't count it in that variable whose data type is integer. So for getting rid of this thing and for storing the decimal value in your program, we have to go with the data type that is referred as float. So float is a data type, and float is used to store the decimal values and decimal numeric figures. So float, if you want to store any kind of value that contains the decimal digits, so you can go with float and you can easily input that value. So I am going to declare a variable with a float, and float is a data type and variable name is decimal. So I have declared a variable name decimal, and it can store the decimal values in it as its data type is referred as float. Now I am going to initialize any value in it. So I am going to initialize decimal is our variable name, and I am going to initialize 55.87. so now 55.87 has been stored into the float, into the decimal, because it contained the data type float. And if we replace the float with the data type integer, then it doesn't store the whole value. It will always regret the values that is occurring after the decimal. So this is the simplest concept of the float. So that's all from today's video. Hope you guys like the video, and if you like the video, then do subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.